Hello friends, you're watching TNWS channel, and in this how to video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Vivo Y12, Y12a or Y12s or any other Vivo device calling or ear speaker not working problem. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you're facing ear speaker or front speaker not working problem in Vivo Y12, Y12a or Y12s, simply first of all you just need to open settings. Just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.